Welcome to Study Loop.
Good day. It is given that potassium iodide, or Ki, is 75 or 76.45% iodine. So this means that in 100 grams, or say 100 milligrams of Ki, 76.45 milligrams is iodine. Or we say 76.45 milligrams of iodine per 100 milligrams of potassium iodide. Now, by ratio and proportion, we wish to find the amount of potassium iodide that is needed in order to provide 150 milligrams of iodine, which is the recommended daily allowance for iodine per day. So again, by ratio and proportion, we will have 76.45 milligrams of I per 100 milligrams of Ki equals, so we want to have 150 milligrams of iodine, and we wish to find X milligrams of potassium iodide that provides us 150 milligrams of I. So let me first drop the units so I can work it out easier. 150 over X, and then by cross multiplying, so we have 76.45X equals 150 times 100, and I divide both sides by 76.45 to get X, which is going to be equal to 196.2 milligrams. So this is the amount of potassium iodide that you need in order to receive 150 milligrams of iodine. So I hope this helped.